Today's Market a Minute is brought to you by DaveLandry.com.
Good morning. Today is Friday, May 7, 2010. I'm Dave Landry, and this is the Market in a Minute. Let's go. All right, in light of what's going on, let's just focus on the market, and it might take me a little bit more than a minute. Market slid yesterday, as you know, but the slide was exacerbated by two things, and you probably know all this by now, but I'm going to regurgitate it. One, a trader fat-fingered B instead of a M. B is in billion, opposed to M as in million, and that helped to exacerbate the slide. The other thing is electronic trading systems either melted down, which they did, but I think more importantly, people took advantage of the situation on the electronic side and just caused the market to melt down. Okay, the system is broken. We cannot continue on like this. I think longer term, we're going to look back at May 6th, and it's going to be just a blip and an aberration in the overall market. Now, this is not to say that we can't go down from here or won't go down from here, or we could start another bear leg or anything like that. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that this kind of meltdown, based at least on electronics, okay, is going to go away because they're going to eliminate a lot of these things, and I think they're going to probably learn, and I hope they learn from this situation. I, believe it or not, I still have faith in the system. I think that everything's going to be okay from a system standpoint. I'm not saying that markets won't go up again and markets won't go down, but I do have faith in the system, and I think this is something that unfortunately, it sucked, to put it mildly, but I think it's something that had to happen to flush out all this electronic BS that's going on out there. Now, I'm not using those guys as a scapegoat. I know some people like, well, the market was down hard anyway. Yes, the market went down. Make no bones about that, okay? But the bottom line was it was exacerbated, and people took advantage of the situation. The only thing good I could say about yesterday is that a lot of buying came in. So there's a lot of people out there that must have been sitting on their hands and decided that, hey, you know what? These crazy, stupid prices or bargain. Now, they're going to try to undo some of this, but it's sort of like defusing a bomb after it exploded, okay? So I know that if there's something wild and crazy, like the stock drops 60% from one tick to the next, they're going to reverse that trade. That type of action is not going to have an impact or help the average trader out there who followed the rules, who kept his stops in place, and got knocked out on BS alone. Okay, so it's not going to help us. But it will help the system somewhat, okay? And yesterday, I often preached the market is a bad teacher. Yesterday's action, I think, taught a lot of people to do the wrong thing. They said, "Go, you know what? Market's dropping like a stone. I'm not going to be stupid and let my stop get hit." That might work once or twice, but longer term, when the market goes down, you have to honor your stop, okay? He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. Obviously, this situation stinks, but hopefully, and I can't imagine, if they don't, then that's the end of the markets, okay? So I think they will do something. I'm glad to see the exchanges started taking action as early as last night. It's a developing situation, obviously. I do not think you should take any new action. Let the dust settle for a while. Let's see how it all shakes out. The charts are all messed up anyway. If they start undoing these trades, the chart's going to have a total different look than they have now. So let's just see how it all shakes out and take things one day at a time. Any questions, usual, Dave at DaveLandry.com. I'm Dave Landry, and you just heard my rant.